Here's how to install VMware ESXi 8 on your PowerEdge server. You'll need an ESXi installation ISO on your local machine and access to the server's iDRAC web UI. From the iDRAC web UI, launch the Virtual Console. From the Virtual Console options, select Virtual Media, then Connect Virtual Media. Under Map CD/DVD, click Choose File, select your ESXi ISO, click Map Device, then Close. Next, click Boot, Virtual CD/DVD/ISO, and Yes to set the ISO as your boot device. Power on the server by clicking Power, Power on System, then Yes. The server will boot from the virtual media and begin loading the ESXi installer. This may take 10 minutes or so to complete. At the installer splash screen, press Enter to continue, review the license and press F11 to accept and continue. The installer will scan for available disks. Select the disk to install to and press Enter. Choose your keyboard layout. Enter, then confirm a root password. Then press F11 to begin the installation. This may take a couple of minutes to complete. When it's done, press Enter to reboot. Select Virtual Media, disconnect Virtual Media, Yes, then Close to prevent booting from the ISO again. The server will now boot from your new ESXi installation. Again, this may take a couple of minutes. Press F2 to log in and enter your password. Use the cursor keys to select Configure Management Network and press Enter. Select Network Adapters, then verify the correct adapter to be used as the management network connection is selected. To set a static IP, select IPv4 configuration, then configure the address, subnet mask, and gateway as required. To set a static DNS IP, select DNS configuration and enter the details. To set a domain name, choose Custom DNS Suffixes. And to enable SSH access, select Troubleshooting Options, Enable SSH. When you're done, press Escape to log out. Thanks for watching.